Hello, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super useful tutorial for all Android users out there. Ever forgot a password but knew it was saved on your phone? Well, worry no more. In this video, I'll guide you through the steps to view your saved passwords on any Android phone. Let's get into it. Open your Settings app. This can usually be found in your app drawer or your home screen. Scroll down until you find the Google option. Now tap on Manage your Google account. Your Google settings will open up. From here, swipe right or tap on the Security tab at the top. Now scroll down to the Signing in to other sites sections and tap on Password Manager. Once you're in, you'll see a list of your saved passwords for various sites. To view a password, simply tap on the site or app you're in. You might be prompted to verify your identity. This could be through a fingerprint, pattern, or PIN. Now here, tap on the eye icon next to the password. You might need to authenticate again and you'll have your password. And that is how you view your saved passwords on an Android phone. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.